What are you gonna go do?
So we broke our asymmetrical spin halyard, and we got to go look at what the damage that thing caused, and then potentially at least get the halyard up there today, so we can use it to go back up the mast and or run it in the future. So that's what we're about to have an adventure on.
Adventure up the mast at anchor.
Doing 12 knots.
So Kevin is currently at the top of the mast, which is pretty impressive considering we don't have a line currently that actually goes to the top of the mast, which is why he's up there. He is actually trying to re-rig our ASIN line back to the top of the mast, so we have a way to actually get up the mast so we can clean up the hole that's up there, the rip in the carbon fiber. So I had to pull him up back and forth, up and down on the jib halyard and the code 0 halyard, again, neither of which actually go to the top. So we had to kind of climber knot it, do some fancy soft shackle work up there in order to get himself up to the top of the mast. Pretty impressive. Hopefully get it done. Fingers crossed. And no big deal. He's doing 10 to 12 knot winds coming pretty much off the beach while we are sitting at anchor. So the boat is not quite steady for him to be able to do this. How'd that go?
Oh boy, that was not a lot of fun. But we had to go up on our secondary line, which doesn't go all the way to the top. So code 0 line. We used our jib line, which I'm pretty sure would have broken my back had I fallen the 15 feet. And when I was up there, I had to tie off to the code 0 point, retie a knot above the code 0 hookup point to the mast, and then go back up on the code 0 with other soft shackles. So right now I've got 5 or 6 soft shackles on me. It's crazy. Yeah. Crazy. It. Right, you can see where they bent the piece in the middle with the rod. It's just too small.